A little while ago, the 5%ers launched a unique prop firm challenge which was called the Summer Plan. But unlike other prop firm challenges, the Summer Plan evaluation was free and traders only needed to pay $300 to get a live funded account after they must have successfully passed the 3 stages of the 5%ers Summer Plan challenge. In this video, I'm quickly going to walk you through the rules of the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation, and I'm also going to be giving you a progress report for the account which I'm currently trading in the challenge. So keep watching. Welcome or welcome back to the channel FXMindTrix Trader. My name is Anas Abba and I'm a Forex trading coach over at FXMindTrix Academy, where we teach Forex traders just like you exactly how to become consistently profitable Forex traders using simple and easy to follow Forex trading techniques. If this is your first time here and you'd like to learn how to become a consistently profitable Forex trader, start now by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you'll get notified every time we publish amazing new content such as the one you're watching right now. Now with that out of the way, let's jump right into the meat and potatoes of this video, shall we? Now, I'll be one of the first to admit that passing the 3 stages of the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation is no easy feat, but it isn't impossible either. In fact, if you've taken prop firm challenges in the past, I'm pretty sure you know how easy it is to fail them, especially if you approach them without a proven trading plan. Plus, the super high failure rate in the online prop firm trading industry is no secret at all. And the 5ers are well aware of this since they are one of the most reputable companies in the prop firm trading business. And that's part of the reason why they decided to make their Summer Plan Challenge free for all Forex traders. The 5%ers Summer Plan Challenge was put together to help traders who cannot afford to pay and lose their hard-earned money on failed prop firm challenges to try them out without even paying a dime. But even though the 5%ers claim that their Summer Plan evaluation is free, it's actually not, because you're still going to have to pay $300 to get your live funded account from them if you're able to successfully pass the 3 stages of the challenge. One thing I don't particularly like about the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation is the fact that the $300 challenge fee which you're required to pay after passing the 3 stages of the challenge is not going to be refunded with your first profit split. However, with companies like FTMO which offer the more traditional online prop firm challenges, you're going to get your challenge fee back with your first profit split if you're able to pass the challenge and make a profit on your funded account. But I think it's also worth mentioning that you'll lose that challenge fee if you fail the challenge with the likes of FTMO, while you'll lose nothing but your time if you fail the Summer Plan evaluation, which is offered by the 5ers. So that's actually kind of a trade-off when you stop to think about it. To be fair, the 5%ers said that the $300 challenge fee, which traders are going to pay after passing the 3 stages of the Summer Plan, is meant to cover the cost of the infrastructure which is used to facilitate the smooth running of the Summer Plan evaluation. Again, I really think it's worth mentioning that the Summer Plan challenge is a pretty difficult challenge. But it was actually meant to be a difficult challenge on purpose because the company's goal is to use it to find consistently profitable Forex traders who would be offered a trading seat to manage the pool of their investors' fund. In the first stage of the challenge, you're going to be given a $25,000 account to trade with. The target for the first stage of the challenge is pretty simple. Earn a 10% return on investment with a net profit of 400 pips without losing 5% of the account's starting balance. Personally, I think the 400 pips net profit target was meant to ward off all of the traders who would attempt to over-leverage their trading accounts in order to pass the challenge by scalping the Forex markets with super huge lot size trades. At this point, it is worth mentioning that you're only going to be given a leverage of 1:10 on both the challenge and funded accounts, which you'll be given if you were to pass the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation. So if your trading revolves around scalping the Forex markets for a couple of pips, using trades with huge lot sizes, this might not be the best prop firm challenge for you because you could find yourself struggling to place trades due to margin restrictions. So take note. If you're able to pass the first stage of the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation, you're going to advance to the second stage where you'll be given a 50,000 US dollar account to trade with. The target for the second stage of the challenge are the same as that of the first stage. Earn a 10% return on investment on the $50,000 account with a net profit of 400 pips without losing 5% of the account's starting balance. If you're able to pass the second stage of the Summer Plan evaluation as well, you'll be allowed to proceed to the third and final stage of the evaluation where you're going to be given a 75,000 US dollar account to trade with. Again, the rules for passing the third stage of the challenge are the same with that of passing the first and second stages. Earn a 10% return on investment on the $75,000 account with a minimum of 400 pips in the green without losing 5% of its starting balance. If you're able to pass the third stage of the challenge, the 5%ers are going to give you a 100,000 US dollar funded account to trade with after you've paid the 300 US dollar challenge fee for the summer plan. But even though the 5%ers are only going to start you out on a $100,000 funded account, their hyper-growth scaling plan is going to ensure that your funded account balance gets increased considerably whenever you earn a 5% return on investment. At first, you're only going to be eligible for a 50% profit split. But as your account grows, the profit split you'll be eligible for is also going to grow with it up until the level where you're going to max out on a profit split of 80%. At the highest level of the Summer Plan funded account, you'll be given a whopping 3 million US dollar account to manage on behalf of the 5%ers, and you'll also get to keep 80% of whatever profits you're able to generate on that funded account. The rules for the Summer Plan Challenge requires you to have a stop loss for each and every trading position you take. It's also worth mentioning that you're only allowed to risk no more than 1% of your challenge account's balance on a single trade in the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation. So for example, if you're trading a $25,000 account on the first stage of the Summer Plan Challenge, you would only be allowed to risk a maximum of $250 on a single trade because of the 1% maximum risk per trade rule of the Summer Plan evaluation. If you risk anything more than that, you're going to receive a risk violation warning from the 5%ers almost immediately. And if you receive more than 3 risk violation warnings, that's going to cause your Summer Plan Challenge account to get disqualified. Another thing I had to struggle with was the fact that the Summer Plan Challenge accounts were only offered on the MT5 trading platform. So if you're an MT4 fan like I am, then you might not be too happy about this. You should also bear in mind that you're only allowed to trade Forex currency pairs on the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation as well as their live funded accounts at the moment. So if your specialty is trading metals such as gold or indices such as US30, then this might not be the prop firm or challenge for you, and you might just be better off taking a paid online prop firm challenge from a company like FTMO or My Forex Funds. Now, even though holding trades over the weekends and during high impact news releases are allowed, you're actually not allowed to open trades moments before major news events on the Summer Plan, but you'll be allowed to do that on your funded account if you're able to pass the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation. And one thing I really like about the 5%ers Summer Plan Challenge is the fact that they give you an indefinite amount of time to complete the challenge as long as your trading account doesn't become inactive for 21 trading days. So as long as you place a trade within 21 trading days, they're going to give you as much time as you need to complete the challenge, which is a huge game changer, especially for swing traders. Compare this with prop firms like FTMO, where you're only given 30 days to complete the challenge, and you'll see just how powerful this really is. Okay, so I've just logged into the analytics dashboard for my 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation account. As you can see on the screen, the starting balance for this account is 25,000 US dollars because I'm still in the first stage of the challenge. Alhamdulillah. I'm in a little bit of profits even though I had somewhat of a rough start to the challenge. At the moment, My account's balance is up by $112 and 85 cents, but its equity is up by about $781 and 4 cents because of the unrealized profits from some profitable open trades which I took on the GBP JPY currency pair. Although I've been able to bank about 216.80 pips, which is more than half of the pips target I need to reach in this stage of the challenge, I've still got to make a little over $1,000 in order to hit the $2,500 profit target to pass this stage of the challenge. A 7-trade sample size is such a small sample size of trades to draw conclusions from, therefore I'm not going to bore you with the details of the stats for this account at the moment, but I'm definitely going to give you guys an update on this account's progress in the future, inshallah. As you can see on the screen now, I'm inside the MetaTrader 5 Forex trading platform, and the profits from the open trades which I took on the GBP JPY currency pair is currently sitting at about $668 and 19 cents. The markets are closed for the weekends, and that's why the price of the GBP JPY currency pair is not fluctuating at the moment. When I click on the Trades History tab, you'll be able to see the list of the closed winning and losing trading positions which I took on this account, which resulted in a net profit of about $112 and 85 cents. And now it's over to you. How far along are you on the 5%ers Summer Plan evaluation account? Or are you trying to pass a challenge from some other leading online prop firms in the industry such as FTMO or my Forex funds? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Anyways, taking prop firm challenges is one thing, and being able to pass them on a consistent basis is an entirely different thing. And that's why I created this profitable Forex trading blueprint series to not only show you exactly how to pass the 5%ers Summer Plan challenge, but also how to trade Forex profitably and pass any prop firm challenge you wish in a step-by-step manner. Just click on the playlist on the screen now to get instant access to the mini crash course.